Hey there, creators and business owners, welcome back to the channel where I explore the best AI tools to make your life easier. Today I've got something super exciting for you, an AI branding tool that can take your brand to the next level. So whether you're just starting out or you're looking to revamp your brand identity, this tool has everything you need to stand out. I'll show you how it works, its features, and how you can use it to create a unique professional brand identity in no time. Let's get started. So the tool in question is called Zovis. I'm gonna leave the link to this tool in the description box below so that you can go check it out. So the first step is to come to the dashboard, but there are a number of things you can do. So just think of this as your own branding AI assistant. So you can basically put in answers to the questions it's going to ask you, and it's going to generate whatever you want for you. So the first step for me, I'll just want to create a logo for my brand. So I'm just going to click on create a logo for my brand. You'll be able to also type it in here. As soon as it's here already, I'm just going to click on it. And then it's going to ask you a few more questions. So for instance, let me help you create your logo. Please provide your brand name, or if you don't have one yet, I can help craft a unique brand name for you. So I'm just going to say Lenny in Tech, and I'm going to hit send. Okay, so as you can see, it's going to start generating the logo for me. So I'm just going to click on view your logo creation. So as you can see, the logo has been generated. It's giving me colors. You'll be able to customize by clicking on the customize link. So if I wanted to customize, for instance, if I want to change the color from green to, let's say, red, I'll be able to do that here. Maybe I'm going to change this to red as well. You can basically customize it to whatever you want it to look like. The other thing you can also do with this as well is you can use this particular branding tool to also generate content for your page. Like if you have a social media account, you can say generate a week worth of social media content for me. And I'm going to click on this, and it's also going to generate some content for me as well. But then it's asking, let's create some standout social media content for Learning Tech. And in order to tailor the content for me, they need some ideas on the type of services I offer. So I would say Learning in Tech is an is a tutorial AI tools tutorial channel, and I'm gonna click send. So then by giving the app some background about what I do, it sort of basically has generated some content ideas for me. So basically a short video introducing Lenny, and in terms of the captions, it's giving me the captions, it's giving me the hashtags to use. As you can see, it's generated 5 days worth of content for me, which is really good. It's giving me some ideas of what I can do. Also, you can say, can you generate a month worth of content calendar from me? So there's so many things you can ask this application to do for you. But yes, as you can see, it's generated a content calendar for me, for 28 days straight. It's giving me ideas. I can just say expand on these posts and include images. Let's see what it can do. Okay, so it really didn't give me the images, but it gave me an idea of the type of images I can use. If you would want to generate images to go with your post, and I have a tutorial on how I use Leonardo.ai to generate images for my social media post. I'm going to link that video in the description or in this video as well, so that you can go check it out, because I do think that it will definitely go hand in hand. But back to the logo generation. So once you're happy with your logo, you could basically just click on get it now, and you click on Google, and then you're able to log in, continue, And yeah, so you're able to preview your brand. Okay, so it's not free after all. So once you have generated your logo, you'd have the opportunity to basically like download the brand kit. So it's not free to download a brand kit, so you would have to pay for it. But basically, this gives you about 35 logo layouts, 28 business card ideas, gives you like a favor icon. So basically, if you have a website, you'll be able to use that. It gives you 28 letterhead templates, 5 email signatures. I think it's really cool what this app does. And for $27, you're able to get like all what I showed you in your basic logo pack. And you can also have like a one-time payment, and you'll be able a one-time payment of $69, and you'll be able to like get everything else for life. So I think this is actually a cool tool. I just wished at least the logo part was free, because they have very good alternative AI tools that give you logos for free. So but yeah, like if you really like this tool, you can check it out, and you can try it out. If you find out you love it, then you can just go ahead and pay for it. But that is it for today's video, and I do hope you're enjoying your Christmas holidays. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I do a lot of like AI tutorial. I do a lot of tutorials on AI tools, which I think are very helpful for you if you're a business owner, you're a content creator, or you just love to learn new things. Then this is the channel to be at. Help us get to 1,000 subscribers by the first quarter of next year. But thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.